Ever wondered how you can make the most out of your small garden with fruit trees? Cultivating fruit trees can enhance your garden's beauty, yield fresh fruits, and promote a sustainable environment. Today, we discuss the top 5 fruit trees perfect for your small garden. Identifying the right fruit tree for your garden depends on your climate, soil type, and personal preference. It's a balance between what thrives in your environment and what fruits you'd love to see flourish. So, eager to discover the perfect fit? Let's dive into our top 5 list of fruit trees for small gardens. Number 5, the fig tree. This tree is not only compact but also offers delicious fruits. Its size makes it perfect for smaller gardens, and with a little care, you'll be enjoying fresh figs straight from your backyard. Moving to number 4, we have the dwarf apple tree. Despite its petite stature, this tree is a heavy fruit bearer. It's perfect for those who love the crunch of a fresh apple, but have limited space. Coming in at number 3 is the peach tree. With its vibrant blossoms in spring and juicy fruits in summer, this tree is a feast for the senses. Runner-up at number 2, the cherry tree. Cherries are a delight to have in any garden, and this tree, with its compact size and high yield, is no exception. And the top fruit tree for small gardens is the lemon tree, a versatile tree that's easy to maintain and provides year-round fruits. So there you have it, the top 5 fruit trees to transform your small garden into a fruitful paradise. With these trees, you can enjoy fresh homegrown fruits right from your backyard. These trees not only provide tasty and healthy fruits, but also enhance the beauty of your garden. So why wait? Start your gardening journey today and witness the magic. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more garden tips and tricks. Happy gardening!